Well, there's something about the weather when we're out on our own. Something about the path that leads us forever home. We don't need a reason, just changing with the seasons, following the feeling in our souls. Now that you're with me, we're chasing daylight and we're soulfully alive. Well, I can't believe the world's still turning, 'cause we're hopelessly alive. You mean the sunrise, we're still miles away from the end of the day, and the wind walks by our side. We'll fly through the rivers and we'll swim through the sky. Nothing can bring us down when it's you and I. Now that you're with me, we're chasing daylight and we're soulfully alive. And I can't believe the world's still turning and we're hopelessly alive. You mean the sunrise, you mean the sunrise. And oh, this golden road leads us on forever home. Now that you're with me, we're chasing daylight and we're soulfully alive. Into the sunrise, letting it all go. 'Cause when you're with me, we're chasing daylight, we're soulfully alive. Oh, I can't believe the world's still turning and we're hopelessly alive. You mean the sunrise, you mean the sunrise. Jolene said, "You're a beautiful talker, a singer of pictures, a pixie-tongued hawker, a love-horned hobo, a jingle-jangle man who keeps lost treasures in the palm of his hand." He would open doors with the slightest murmur. He'd lift her up and then they'd look down at the sky. She knew he'd stare down any storm with just one eye. Jolene, look beyond the fields of bowling green. The world keeps turning as you go to your own song. But a story's never told, and it's hard to tell. Did he really love her, and did he treat her well? He blessed her always till one day he headed west. But what was she to him, she asked, was it just a test? He had wanted to turn a nickel into a dime. See what makes the bells of San Goldwyn chime. Now when she sees him on a flat screen in the dark, she doesn't recognize the gem that made her spark. Jolene, look beyond the fields of bowling green, and know you're all it takes to glow to your own song. I've been alone. I stand under. I've been wondering where